welcome back to my channel. And today it's time for FabFitFun's spring box, and I've partnered up with FabFitFun once again to bring you their spring box. I'm so excited. I love FabFitFun. It's just like getting a Christmas present 4 times a year because it's a quarterly subscription box. And they have different items in here. They're all full size and they range from beauty, wellness, lifestyle, and fashion. And I get so excited every time I know that I'm about to get my box. I cannot stand it. I just love it. Each box costs $49.99, but each box contains a value well over $200. So it's a very good deal. And I have a coupon code, which I'll put in the description box below, which is Magnolia, that will get you $10 off your first box. So if you've never tried FabFitFun, I would. It's so much fun. I say this all the time. It's like getting a Christmas present 4 times a year. And who doesn't love Christmas presents? I love them. And also something about FabFitFun that I really like is they promote philanthropic causes. And I like that, and they help women companies owned by women. They always promote that, and that's a good thing too. So let's dive into the box. I did take a sneak peek as usual, but look at this bright and cheerful box. I love it. So when you open it up, this one is based on the ISF Foundation, which is the Ian Somerhalder Foundation, okay? And look at this on the inside. It's just so vibrant. I know that doesn't mean anything, but it always amazes me just how beautiful these boxes are. So let me put this down so you can see better. But like I said, it's gorgeous. And speaking of the box, the lady that designed this is from Canada, and it was inspired by a trip to Arizona. Isn't that beautiful? You can see everything. I just love it. Okay, when you first open it up, you always see this magazine, and it tells you basically what's in your box and what the value is, and they'll tell you how to use the items and different things like that. And then they'll always tell you this is about the box and that she designed it. I just think that's so interesting. And then this is all about the Ian Somerhalder Foundation. I hope I'm saying that right. But he grew up in Louisiana, and he knows how devastating hurricanes can be, and he's really into protecting the environment and animals and just different things like that. So living on the Gulf Coast, I know plastic is so bad for our oceans, and just how you need to have little areas that are protected. So I do love that about this, how they, promote different people like that. Okay, all right, and this is so interesting. They have some recipes in here, and it is going to be so good. Jadia from the Food Channel, she has an antipasta salad, different bruschetta, chocolate hazelnut drop cookies. Oh my goodness. So anyway, it's packed full of wonderfulness. But let's see what's in the box, okay? So when you first open it, you'll also see a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. And you get $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. And it's a $50 gift card. I think that is a winner. I've never tried HelloFresh yet. I'm really thinking about trying it because it seems sometimes I get so busy that I like filming and just checking in on mom and keeping up with my husband and everything that I have to do. It would be nice every once in a while to have something that's very healthy that I could just cook really quickly. So I am thinking about doing that. And then this has a little flower or something. This time it has a flower and it seals it. Okay, so let's get in here, and this will be in no particular order. Okay, and in this book it shows you like what's in every box. It's pink. And what all members get, that's over here, and then select members get in this light grayish purple. But you can customize your boxes now, which makes it awesome, okay? So the first thing I see in here is a sip by Sipwell, and it's insulated, and it keeps your drinks cold up to 24 hours and hot up to 12 hours. So I really do like that because, as I've said many times, I don't like to get around a lot of plastic. I don't think it's good for you. But this is what this looks like. It is so cute. That would be very handy. And then it says Sip by Eswell. I think that's so cute. So I like that. That would be very good if you were walking on the treadmill, which I need to start doing again. And this, Sip by Swell, I bet it is. I bet that's how you pronounce it, Swell, is valued at $19.99. And it says hand wash only, but I really do like that. And it's kind of, you know, nice looking. Okay, and then our next item here is the Quay Leave-In Conditioner. Now, this is in every box. Everybody will get this. It says they're obsessed with multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. So, and this is valued at $26, okay? So you almost have the value of your box right there. But I could really use some of this leave-in conditioner because it is so dreary and humid here today. Let's see what this smells like. That smells nice. I like that. Okay, and then Levido, and this is Aromatic Body Lotion, Mandarin Orange and Bergamot. Oh, I bet that is nice. So this is, all members get the chance to customize with this. So you can either get this or some copper-plated measuring spoons. This is valued, like I said, at $19. It hydrates, nourishes, and protects. This delicately scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types, okay? Or you could get a mystery item. So let's see what this smells like. I love citrus scents. Let's see. That smells nice. Oh yeah. And you can see it really hydrated my hand. And with this heat or the cold weather, that is a wonderful thing. I love this. That is really nice. Then the next thing I see is the Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. I love Korres products. I've purchased them off of HSN before. Hydrate and brighten your skin. This weightless souffle contains vitamin C, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid. This is valued at $48. It says apply to the face and neck, avoid the eye area for more radiant skin. So let's look at this. You can see what that looks like. Oh, it's very buttery. I didn't think I would like wild rose. I'm not a typical rose person that likes rosy scents, but this is nice. That smells really good. And it's very hydrating as well. Let me put it on better so you can see. That smells nice. I never would have purchased this scent. I've had other items from them, but I've never bought this, but I do like that. It's very nice. Okay, and then everyone will get this. It's the Dr. Brandt Skincare Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel, okay? It says it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution, and it's valued at $42. And it says, don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color correct dark circles. Use your ring finger to pat a pea-sized amount directly under your eyes. And you're supposed to use this like after you've put your moisturizer on your face. Then you put this on. I'm anxious to use this because I do suffer from dark circles. So let's see. Ooh. Okay. But you can see it goes right in. Don't notice the smell. That will be nice. I am looking forward to using that. That is wonderful. I love that. Okay, and then the next thing I see is this Deluxe Luxe Demi backpack. Okay, this is valued at $75. So you can see you well get your money's worth. It's in this little pretty protector. And it says, keep your belongings safe and snug in the cutest canvas backpack. It features adjustable straps, a top handle, and a post closure, making it the perfect bag for all your travels during the spring. And they show you further on how to style this. Oh, that is cute. That really is cute. And you can just put it like over your shoulder and just carry it like that, or wear it like a backpack. That is so cute. And this feels like a very heavy canvas. And it has a pocket right down in here, and it's very deep in here. And it gives you, it says creasing is normal with vegan leather and will smooth out after normal use. Tells you how to clean it, and it's very deep down in here. You really could put some stuff in there. I think that is really super cute, okay? And then I have this. This is 11 by Venus jump rope, and it's valued at $15, ready to up your fitness game. We partnered with tennis star Venus Williams to create a high-quality jump rope that will help your next that will take your workouts to the next level, okay? And then she is on FabFitFun TV for exclusive jump rope workouts, okay? So let's see what this is all about. Oh, this is nice, and it's colorful too. I don't know, maybe I'm petty, but I think I use things more if they're colorful. That's so funny. And it has nice cushy hand grips. And this is like resistant band, kind of like, but it doesn't stretch, but it's what it reminds me of, okay? Well, that's nice. And then the last thing in here is now everyone will get this. Kadar Champaign Body Scrub, okay? This is valued at $24, and it's formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, which is always good for your skin. Deluxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. I really need this, especially with spring and summer around the corner. And it's already, like I said, humid, so it's going to be really hot here soon. Oh, this smells good. Oh my gosh. You can't eat this, but it smells like something you would want to eat. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, am I going to have a wonderful shower tomorrow. Oh, and you smell wonderful. Oh boy, that made my skin soft immediately. Oh, I love this. This smells, I can't wait for you to get this. This smells so good. Oh my goodness, I love this. And I'd like to thank FabFitFun for partnering once again with me. And I really liked everything that I received in my box. Now I'll put the link to order down below in the description box and the coupon code Magnolia, which will get you $10 off your first box if you've never bought a box before. So I think it's a wonderful, wonderful deal. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.